guys, today's video I will tell you how to become faster in 3x3 Rubik's Cube with my following examples. Let's go. Tip number 1, use better method. Because if you're using beginner method, you can't get sub 20, sub 30 or sub 10. You can maximum reach to sub 50 because the move count is very hard, so better use CFOG. I made a playlist on CFOG, so just go and see the CFOG tutorials. Tip number 2, use a good finger tricks, because if you're using this type of finger tricks, you can't develop a TPS of 6 or 7, which is very essential for becoming faster. You just see that this is a very bad elk. Use this elk. Use this finger tricks. I made a tutorial on this finger tricks. Let's go. Next is learn more and more elks, because more elks do you know, the better you become, because this elk will help you in your last layer, also in F12, to become consistent. So let's go to the last way. The second is last is muscle memory. Make every curve as muscle memory. Muscle memory means doing a thing which is fitted in your muscle memory without thinking. Just like this edge pump, I'm doing this without thinking because it is fitted to muscle memory. How to fit eggs in your muscle memory? Just do eggs many times, so that it will fitted in your muscle. Just like this F12 case, I will have this muscle memory for this, just like this. Easy. Let's go to the fifth. Use a better cube, because if you're using this type of cube, you can't become faster, because this cube is not good. It is very rough and stiff. You have to use a smooth and cube that you will use. And the last and most important, practice regular. Yes, if you practice regular and become consistent, you can develop more and more views. Just like that. Practice and efficiency and perseverance. Thank you for watching my video.